Welcome to the channel, everybody. This is Rebel Scoutmaster. We're going to be doing a speaker install on a 2021 Ford Bronco. This speaker install should not be terribly complicated. The speakers in the dash and the rear pods are only 4-inch speakers, so we're going to get to it. I'm going to show y'all how to do that. So to actually do this, to replace these speakers, you actually have to pull these panels out right here. And you can pull them out pretty easily with a credit card. So once you get the speaker unbolted, you just pull it up and disconnect it. So the speaker that I'm going to replace them with is this Pioneer 4-inch two-way speaker. It should fit perfectly in the dash and in the rear pods in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this now. And I didn't actually buy the wire adapters, so I'm actually going to end up clipping these and just rewiring those in. So it actually came with these little wire adapters. I'm going to go ahead and just use these and wire them in with this instead of having to crimp some other stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and make these connections and then start on the passenger side. Do a little comparison here. This is the Pioneer speaker, and then this is the Ford speaker. The Pioneer speaker is much heavier. I would say almost probably twice as heavy as the factory speaker, so that ought to help with the audio quality. So you have to kind of wiggle it. One of the little tabs, you have to kind of feel it underneath the under there before you can actually get it where it needs to be. Once you get it where it needs to be, you just tighten it down. All right, now that I got that in there, you just put your speaker grill back in there, and that is all there is to it. On to side 2. Okay, if I didn't mention before, once you get the panel off, it's a 7mm bolt that actually takes the speaker out. So we're going to go ahead and start on this side. Got to be careful pulling the back two out because they're very flimsy and these can break. So I've made these connections, just going to tape them up, put the speaker back in, put the grill back on, and then we'll go to the back, start doing the back ones. Okay, so here we are in the back. Again, I'm using these Pioneer F1034R. Got these on Amazon, really great deals, like $23 for the pair. So that's why we put those in the front. We're going to put these in the back in these pods, and then should be complete. So to pull these, you actually just pull the panel off. Should just come right off. There it goes. And this one's going to be a Phillips head instead of a 7mm. So let me go grab a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'll be right back. All right, so back. Got my screwdriver here. This should go pretty quick. And the speaker just comes right out. There it is. So we're going to swap it out, make our connections, screw that back in, and check back. We'll do it again on the other side. Just like others have stated, you have to bend and break off these two tabs because there's not enough clearance on here for that. So you just grab your pair of pliers, needle nose or whatever, give it a couple of twists, and there it goes, pops off. Do the same thing for this side. Sorry if the wind noise is bad. It's windy like crazy today. Okay, got those done, so it looks like that. Screw it back in, it'll look like that. All right, working on the second side here on the back. I'm actually just crimping the wires or stripping the wires for right now, and then we'll probably get the wire harness upgrades some point in the future, but I don't want to cut the factory wire harness, so I'm just going to do it this way for right now, and then upgrade them later on. So what you actually end up with is the wires going into the factory wire harness, and then I'll tape that up so that it doesn't come loose, at least for right now. All right, now to test everything. Okay, Rebel Scoutmaster here. Made all the connections, hooked everything up. Everything works wonderfully and sounds way, way better. I can't play any music, otherwise I'll get copyrighted. But trust me, it's worth it. No matter if you have the B&O package or whatever audio package you have, any kind of upgrade will make this thing sound 100 times better. Thanks for watching my video. Keep a lookout on this channel, like and subscribe. It's gonna have a lot more Bronco content coming your way. Probably a lift kit, maybe some bigger tires, different kind of modifications and upgrades, but 2021 Bronco for the win.